Hi everyone, and welcome to the Awesome Workshop Setup video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to set up the code on CVMFS, so LX Plus or any other machine that is mounted with CVMFS. This tutorial is designed for people who have a CERN computing account. If you don't have a CERN computing account, please watch the setup video using Docker. So that's a separate video. It'll explain how you can use Docker to be working right alongside us even without a CERN computing account. So what we need to do in order to set up is scroll down to where we see lxplus/cvmfs in our web browser on the Awesome Workshop Setup page. And the first thing we need to do is SSH into LX Plus or some other machine. I'm going to use CVMFS on the University of Michigan's Atlas machines because that's where I do most of my computing. So if you can see in my terminal window over here, I'm using the -Y command. What that's going to allow me to do is have my X11 forwarding. You'll need to make sure that X forwarding is set up on your laptop. If you ever have issues with that, just let us know. Okay, so now I'm into the Michigan machine, and I'm going to first start by downloading the code. I'm going to scroll back up to this curl command to download the files. Now that I've downloaded the files, I should see master.zip present, and we can unzip this file. I'm getting a little bit of output there asking me whether I want to replace the files because I've already done this step before, but you won't see that. Okay, and the whole point of having CVMFS is to have access to root. So if I do which root right now, it looks like I do have root installed by default on this machine, but if I check the version, it's 5.34. So I'm going to source this setup script. It's going to give me access to a different version of root. So let's execute that command now. Okay, I've sourced that setup script, and if I try again with root version, if I spell it correctly, so this time I get root 6.16, and that's what's required for the workshop. So you can proceed as normal from now, following all the steps in the workshop. Just know that if you log out and log back in, you'll need to resource the setup script. Okay, and with that, I will see you in the next video.